With its intelligent flight ability and exceptional efficiency, the XAG P series had empowered millions of modern farmers, protecting their crops in the past decade. Now, a new member is ready to join the lead. Introducing the XAG P150, the ultimate agricultural drone designed to fulfill your plant protection needs and many more farming tasks. The XAG P150 features a newly optimized aerial platform with reinforced materials, making it more stable and easier to maintain. With upgraded motors, ESCs, and high-performance propellers, it generates greater power, enabling a 70 kilograms payload. Its modular, collapsible, and quick-release design allows fast, hassle-free transportation and setup. The fourth-generation XAG Revo spray system turns the P150 into a powerful tool for effective crop protection, both in fields and orchards. Equipped with a 70-liter smart liquid tank, dual impeller pumps, and intelligent centrifugal nozzles, it delivers a flow rate of up to 30 liters per minute. The adjustable droplet size, ranging from 60 to 400 micrometers, ensures precise spraying and reduces chemical waste. The quad-rotor design of P150 creates a strong and uniform downdraft, providing sufficient coverage on both sides of the leaves. When upgraded to 4-nozzle setting, P150 can be used even in the toughest plant protection scenarios. The P150 excels in spreading tasks when it is paired with the 4th-generation XAG Revo cast system. Its 115 liters granule container, along with a maximum spread rate of 280 kilograms per minute, brings exceptional efficiency. The vertical waving broadcast mechanism increases downward force to the granules, providing better wind resistance, thereby minimizing overlaps and mist spread. 3 screw feeders adapt to a range of tasks, from fertilizer spreading, direct seeding, to aquacultural feeding and powder scattering. Field mapping becomes easier with the 2nd-generation XAG Realterra system. P150 is able to capture high-precision image during autonomous flights, even when flying across hills. Combined with the accuracy of RTK positioning, images will be automatically stitched into field maps and exported after landing. Realistic 3D models and point clouds can also be generated quickly from the photos. With Realterra's minimal weight, a P150 can survey up to 13 hectares of farmland in a single flight. XAG Super X5 Pro Intelligent Control System harnesses powerful processors and state-of-the-art control algorithm, propels the P150 to achieve full autonomous operation and superior performance. 4D imaging radar and FPV cameras are designed, engineered, and integrated exclusively for safe flight, which can detect obstacles from 1.5 to 100 meters ahead, prevents any possible collisions. These features make sure P150 can be safely operated on diverse terrains and deliver exceptional results in the most challenging conditions. Great intelligence comes with multiple ways of control. The XAG One app is designed for effortless, autonomous operation with just a few taps. The lightweight ACS4 control stick with instant Bluetooth connection, 12 hours battery life, allows assisted manual handling in your palm whenever you need it. The SRC4 Smart Remote Controller, featuring a 6-inch high-resolution ultra-bright screen with an adjustable angle, provides precise control in complex environment. The XRT-K6 Pro, a multifunction rover, offers you a convenient solution for mark-to-map surveying and portable RTK station. With its reliable transmission and precise positioning technology, XRT-K6 Pro enables P150's autonomous operation even without coarse network. Charging efficiency is crucial in field operations where every minute matters. The XAG Smart Supercharge battery, paired with fuel-powered charger and the new battery cooling tower, enabling immediate charging in 8 minutes upon landing. Also, the AC charging is a more economical choice. intelligent, and efficient. Start next-level smart farming now with the XAG P150 agricultural drone.